Good morning. It is time to settle down a bit after a day of unexpected weakness. Bulls may bounce back, tracking the overnight advance in the US. Wall Street managed to escape the Greek-related global sell-off as investors welcomed better than anticipated retail sales. Markets across Asia are trading stable, with a few managing to hold in the green territory. We expect a higher start for the Indian markets, but things could turn choppy later on. In case of a fresh fall, the NSE Nifty is likely to find support at around 5,200 to 5,300. On the higher side, resistance may kick in at around 5,400. Worries over European sovereign debt issues might continue to linger for a while. One has to closely follow events in the US and elsewhere. Attention will soon shift to earnings both here and abroad. Telecom stocks will be in focus as 3G auction kicks off today. The bidding is expected to last for a few days to a month or so. Sale may remain depressed amid FPO-centric concerns. Shares of Sri Ganesh Jewellery will list on the bourses today. FIIs were net buyers in the cash segment on Thursday at Rs 622 million on a provisional basis. Local funds were net sellers of Rs 936.2 million according to figures published on the NSE's website. In the F&O segment, the foreign funds were net sellers of Rs 3.02 billion. On Wednesday, FIIs were net buyers of Rs 4.18 billion in the cash segment as per the SEBI website. Crude oil is hovering at around $85 per barrel and will pose serious threat if it rises further. The rupee may appreciate further amid reports that China could soon follow more variation in the yuan. That could weigh on IT and other export-linked stocks. Aban Offshore has backed a contract to worth $159 million from Brunel Shell Petroleum Sendirian Berhad for deployment of one of its rigs. Grasim Cement is planning to set up a cement manufacturing facility in Tamil Nadu with an investment of Rs 8 billion. Government bans FDI in cigarette manufacturing. Wholesale food inflation rises to 17.7% for the week ended 27th March 2010. India's food subsidiary bill has closed Rs 720 billion in financial year 2010, a 65% jump from the previous year. Finance Ministry is likely to hand out another cash compensation package to the public sector refineries. Moving on to the recommendations, the derivative strategies are Long Lanco Infratech Limited April future at Rs 57.30 for a target price of Rs 61 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 56. Long Videocon Industries Limited April future at Rs 264 for a target price of Rs 275 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 260. On the technical side, we have a sell on Bank of India at Rs 361 to Rs 355 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 367 for a target price of Rs 340 and a sell on Hindalco for a target price of Rs 166 and a stop loss is to be maintained at Rs 183 for all short positions. Thank you and have a great day ahead.